Hello everyone, myself Dr. Diti Jindal, dermatologist from Kolkata, and today I'm very excited because I'm going to talk about my favorite treatment, that is microneedling. This is a very popular treatment nowadays and it is creating a buzz everywhere. So if you are looking to get this treatment done, you are watching the right video where I would decode everything about microneedling. How does it work? What are the pros and cons of the treatment? What are the results expected? Where we can do it? And microneedling का सबसे बड़ा बात अच्छा है ना, you can club it with any other treatment. Microneedling itself is a treatment and we can club so many dermaceuticals with it to give it a very good results. So let's dive deep into it. जैसे कुछ भी स्टार्ट करने से पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि ये करता क्या है. तो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट इज व्हाट इज माइक्रोनीडलिंग. माइक्रोनीडलिंग एक ट्रीटमेंट है जिसमें डर्मा पेन या किसी भी डिवाइस के थ्रू वी क्रिएट माइक्रो चैनल्स इनसाइड द स्किन. With the help of tiny needles, they create micro channels, hence micro injuries. Wait, there is nothing to worry about. They are controlled and they are regulated and they are created. So there is nothing to worry about. Those channels, they stimulate the collagen and the elastin of the skin to give us a totally refreshed, rejuvenated skin. And also it can be done in hair. Did you know that? माइक्रोनीडलिंग के बारे में जितना भी बोलूँ उतना कम है, फिर भी आई ट्राई टू रेजिस्ट माई सेल्फ एंड स्पीक एज क्रिस्प एज पॉसिबल. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ माइक्रोनीडलिंग कहाँ पे यूज नहीं हो सकता है कोई मुझे ये बता दे, बट आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट नंबर 1. It can be used to shrink your pores. We can club it with serums like vitamin C serum, with PRP GFC, with exosome and whatnot to reduce those pores. Number 2, it can be used to give you those perfect skin textures, reducing the fine lines, where the microneedling can be clubbed with again PRP, exosome, dermaceuticals, antioxidants and whatnot again. PDRNs, they just do wonders to your skin and reduce the fine lines. I will be today talking only about the microneedling. Rest of the things we'll discuss in another video. Number 3, it can reduce the acne scars to the extent it's like a magic to the acne scars, where we can induce the injuries and hence when the elastin and collagen they reproduce, it lifts those depressed box or rolling type scars and it gives awesome results, though multiple sessions are required. Then it can give us a radiant skin and also it can be used to enhance the penetration of any of the serums that we are looking into. Last but not the least, microneedling can be clubbed in various hair treatments in the form of, if we are doing PRP, if we are doing exosomes for the hair growth, it's awesome because it makes the procedure very painless, easy to do, and also patients can tolerate it very well without any pain. So after discussing what is microneedling and what are the benefits of it, what is the procedure and how it can be done, obviously the first and the very important step is a consultation to assess your skin and the concern and recommend with what the microneedling has to be done to give you a better result. After taking the consultation, the skin is cleansed and then a numbing cream for the face and the lidocaine spray for the scalp is applied. After that, the dermaceuticals are prepared. Maybe the growth factors, it may be the hyaluronic acid, it may be the GFC, it may be the exosomes. Then they are infused into the skin with the help of a microneedling and device. There might be little bleeding and there will be little bleeding, but that's absolutely fine. Every blood is not bad. It might give you a redness and sensitivity for another 24 to 48. We tell to restrict the swimmings, the gyms, and also makeups for around 2 to 3 days after the microneedling, depending upon what type of microneedling has been done and for what indication it has been done. These situations and these instructions might vary a bit. Now coming to the results. Results, they might vary depending upon the concern and the skin type. Immediately, generally we see a radiant skin with a good glow, reduction in the open pores, which is generally seen within 2 to 3 days of the treatment. After 4 to 6 weeks, visible reduction in acne scars and fine lines and wrinkles, and the texture is improved. Multiple sessions are required. Generally 3 to 6 sessions are good enough for treating any concern. The gap between 2 sessions is 4 to 6 weeks. After procedure, after pros and cons, the results. Now, who can be benefited? For rough textured skin, fine lines, large pores, open pores, acne scar, stretch marks, hair fall, hair loss, female pattern hair loss, male pattern hair loss, androgenetic alopecia, we can use it everywhere, wherever we want to fix it out. Now, where we cannot do it in a sensitive, barrier damaged skin, We cannot do it in presence of any active infection. Keloidal tendency has to be looked in for. We cannot do it anywhere where there is a kind of a active acne. After so many recommendations and uses, where it cannot be done and it's a no-no. Active infection, herpes, keloidal tendencies, we have to look into the pros and cons. Open wounds, and if there is a sensitive barrier damaged skin. In all these situations, we have to avoid doing microneedling. So microneedling, if you are looking to get it done, don't hesitate, consult your dermatologist and book your appointment today. If it's a very good treatment for any of the concerns, and if you are looking to go into it, you can very well do it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button and throw all your questions in my channel. I would be happy to answer them all. Till then, stay safe, keep glowing.